Good morning. Welcome to Monday, April 20th, 2026. DJ Stocks here on Land Cruiser Midwest. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Are you ready for another ducky week? I got a feeling it's gonna be a crazy Monday and a crazy week. Why wouldn't it? Why wouldn't it? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it as I bring the music down for Monday, April 20th. Let me bring it down. There we go. There we go. That was a peppy song for a Monday morning. Yeah. Futures are down, but that doesn't mean anything. Dow's down almost 300. NASDAQ down 130. Gold's down $72. And I think silver was down a couple of bucks too. So it looks like it's gonna be a pullback day. You know, 255 on silver, 79.29, $79.29 now for a piece of silver. So it appears that we're gonna potentially have a down day today, which hell, we've had a lot, I think 12 in a row up days in April. Really bringing our numbers up. Let me show you my numbers just to kind of give you a perspective. Here's our returns for 1 year, 71%. Year to date, 4.8%. Month to date, 6.9%. And there's a dollar figure that we're up. We're up for the year 169, for the month 107K. That's some nice numbers. And we want more of that. Last year we did 39 and a half. For all of last year, 39 and a half. Crazy number. And that gives me some of this stuff so I can do things with it, right? I'm just an old retired guy trying to make some money on the side. But I'm not a buy and hold guy. I like to buy, make my profit, and cash out. That's how I do it. We're an active trader. We are. So, but that's what we do. We try to squeeze some extra money out of this. Little squeezy. Let's talk NVIDIA. If you've been lately, last 3-4 months, NVIDIA has been kind of dormant. Last week it surpassed the $200 mark. It had a hard time getting over that it's tried to get over $200 for the last couple of months. It's been banging off the top of the $200 range and then going down. Friday it surpassed the $200 mark and is at 201.68. I hear people saying it's going to the moon. There's some people that have set highs at 250 for NVIDIA, which that'd be a hell of a run up. 250. I'm on that train. Give me that train. Give me that train. Yeah, give me a ticket to that.
Last stop.
Yeah, last stop to Wealthville. There you go. Get on that train. So at $200 a share, it might be worth a little. If you got some extra money laying around, it might be worth an extra an extra purchase or two. So we'll see how that goes this week. When is their next earnings date? Their next earnings date, I'm having a hard there. May 20th. May 20th is their next earnings date. Should be good, but that a good earnings for NVIDIA doesn't guarantee anything if you've been watching them for the last 2 quarters, 3 quarters. It defies logic. It defies gravity. And sometimes you think there's a little bit of manipulation going on with NVIDIA. But we made a lot of money last year on NVIDIA. I mean, a lot of money. A lot of money. So I got a special place in my heart for NVIDIA. Yeah. So I still got some. I sold some probably 2 weeks ago. I sold like maybe 300 shares, 400 shares. Still have about 1,000 shares, and we'll decide what we're going to do here in the next week or two. I hate to just jettison it, but it's nice that the rest of the portfolio has come back nicely. We were down 180K in our portfolio just like 10 days ago, and now we're only down like 60K. So we've really come back towards green. Hop, skip, and a jump. Yes, definitely a hop, skip, and a jump. And it's looking kind of purty. It be looking purty right now. So I hope you're invested in the stock market. I hope you're thinking about how to get your money to work for you, right? Instead of you just working for money, you got to work for money, but also get your money to work for you. And you have to invest in your future, right? You always pay your car payment, you pay your mortgage, but do you ever pay yourself? That's what people need to do. I'm here to tell you. You need to, not only do you need to make your car payment, your mortgage, and your credit card payment on a monthly basis, you got to pay yourself. Pay yourself. Pay it forward for yourself. And give yourself some money to save and invest. Invest in the market. Invest in some metals. Invest in something that's going to give you a chance in the future. They're talking about reducing Social Security by 20% in 2030. It's coming. 2030's coming. It's just 4 years away. So if Social Security, I guess it'll be there, but it won't be there like it used to be. A lot of you guys don't have pensions anymore. So you better be paying attention. You better be investing in yourself, and you better be doing something to make your future a little more palatable. Yeah, otherwise it's gonna be misery. But misery loves company. There'll definitely be a lot of people with you. There's a lot of people that aren't doing what they're supposed to be doing, and they're worrying about it late. We'll take care of that later, they say. Well, I'm here. I'm here to tell you, time is on your side now. The sooner you save money, the hell of a lot better off you'll be. If you wait till the last minute, it might blow up in your face. That's what I'm telling you. It might blow up in your face. Probably will, too. So, just a little word of wisdom from the DJ here at DJ Stocks and Land Cruiser Midwest. Like, share, subscribe. Check out all of our other videos as we try to educate. We want to educate you people financially and get you on the right path on the road to wealth and riches. That's what it's all about. Over and out, DJ Stocks.